जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMS समाचार channel from the international world. Monaco is a sovereign city-state country and micro-state on the French Riviera in Western Europe. It is bordered by the France to the northeast and west and by the Mediterranean Sea to the south. The Principality is home to 38,682 residents and is widely recognized for being one of the most expensive and wealthiest places in the world. The world's second most smallest population in Monaco. Country COVID-19 in our country 3.59 crore testing and 23 lakh is saved from corona. Need examination will not taken out of our country. There is permission to students to go from flight. In Bihar, there is COVID care hospital med 500 bed is available and there is so many facilities and also treatment of corona patient is fully free. Environment. The Panchani River is a tributary of the east bank of the Vetnagami River flowing into Sanitary in the La Vallée or regional country municipality in the administrative region in Abitibi-Témiscamingue in Canada. The river Act crosses successfully the townships of Arvan, Caripuquet, New and Ifyat. Invention. Electron. The electron is a subatomic particle symbol E odd whose electric charge is -1. Elementary charged electrons belong to the first generation of the Lepton particle family and are generally thought to be implementary particles because they have no known components or substructure. Great person. Jamnalal Bajaj was born on 4 November 1889. He was an Indian industrialist, philanthropist and Indian independence fighter. He founded the Bajaj Group of companies in 1920s and the group now has 24 companies including 6 that are listed on the bourses. He was also a close and beloved associate of Mahatma Gandhi, who is known to have often declared that Jamnalal Bajaj was fifth son. Bihar independence fighter Kunwar Singh was born on 13 November 1777. He was also known as Babu Kunwar Singh and was leading during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. He belonged to a Maharashtra Jamindar family of the Ujjain clan of the Parmod Rajputs of Jagdishpur, currently a part of Bhojpur district, Bihar, India. At the age of 80, he led a select band of armed soldiers against the troops under the command of the British East India Company. He was the chief organization of the fight against the British in Bihar. He was popularly known as Veer Kunwar Singh. Crops. Venice kasha, hispida, the wax ground, also called ash ground, white ground, winter ground, tallow ground, ash pumpkin, winter melon, Chinese preserving melon and Fulun is a vine grown for its very large fruit eaten as a vegetable. When mature, it is the only member of the genus Benicaceae. Flowers. The Orchidaceae are a diverse and widespread family of flowering plants with blooms that are often colorful and fragrant, commonly known as the orchid family along with the Asteraceae. They are one of the largest families of flowering plants. Yoga. Brahmacharya Asana plays an important therapeutic role in yoga as this pose enhances masculinity and gives the practitioner sexual control. Furthermore, it transforms sexual energies into finer energies that are necessary on the path to enlightenment. The health benefits of Brahmacharya Asana strengthens the digestive system and abdominal muscles. It automatically sets the Mula Bandh, which helps to store sexual energy for spiritual practices. Universe, the Rio Grande is one of the principal rivers in the southwest United States and northern Mexico. The Rio Grande begins in the south central Colorado in the United States and flows to the Gulf of Mexico after passing through the length of New Mexico along the way. It forms part of the Mexico-United States border according to the International Boundary and Water Commission. Its total length was 1,896 miles in the late 1980s. The coast shifts occasionally result in length changes depending on how it is measured. The Rio Grande is either the fourth or fifth longest river system in North America. Mathematics, where X represents as unknown and A, B and C represents known numbers, where A equals to 0. If A equals to 0, then the equation is linear, not the quadratic, as there is no ax square term. The number a, b, c are the coefficients of the equation and may be distinguished by the calling them respectively the quadratic coefficient, the linear coefficient and the constant or free term. Ayurveda, Clitoria ternatia, commonly known as Asian peasant wings, blue velvet, blue pea, butterfly pea, cordofan pea and Darwin pea. It is a plant species belonging to the family Fabaceae. In India, it is reversed as a holy flower used in daily puja rituals. Village town Singeshwar is one of the administrative divisions of Madhepura district in the Indian state of Bihar. The block headquarters are located at a distance of 6 km from the district headquarters, namely Madhepura. Dear Temple of Lord Shiva, devotees come from many places for puja. In month of Sawan, Singeshwar is jam-packed by people. People from Nepal has also come for puja. Today's event, Soldiers' Day in Brazil, Liberation Day in France, Day of Shungon in North Korea. 1883, France and Vietnam signed the Treaty of Hue, recognizing a French protectorate over Amman and Tonkin. 1940, World War I. Japan declares war on Austria-Hungary. Weather news. In country there is no stop of flood. Today's temperature in Patna 27 degrees Celsius, Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. COPPA, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act of 1998 is a United States federal law located in 15 USC. The act, effective April 2000, applies to the online collection of personal information by person or entities under US jurisdiction about children under 13 years of age, including children outside the US. If the company is US based, it details what a website operator must include in a privacy policy, when and how to seek verifiable consent from a parent or guardian, and what responsibilities an operator has to protect children's privacy and safety online, including restriction on the marketing of those under 13. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ओम शान्तिः पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।